Hello everyone. If you want to customize the home screen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, so first of all, hold on the finger on the empty space of your screen to summon the settings menu. Now here you can choose wallpaper and style to change the whole wallpaper. So you can do this from the preset ones, or you can do this from your gallery. For example, let's set up some preset ones. Like let's set up some bright, something like this. Press next. Also we can add up some widgets, so let's open up the editing menu once again. You can add up some widgets. For example, we can add up some custom camera, notes. We can add up a lot of types of different analog clock, dual clocks, whatever you want to add, some galleries, images and storages. For example, let's add up analog clock. Why not? Press add. So you can hold it and drag it to any place of your screen which you want to. Now let's summon the same exact menu once again. Press settings, and here you can change the home screen grid, the home screen layout, and so on and so on. So go through the settings, choose the things which are for you and which you prefer, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.